Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make text small in Discord. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Discord application into your computer. And now once you are here, of course, just simply go to any text where you could provide your text or message. Now, to do a small text, what you could try to do is just simply provide dash and then provide a hashtag. And pretty much when you tap on space, when you provide a text over here, it will be small. And as you can see right away, it will be small. As you can see, it is now much more smaller. And another method that you could try, so you could just simply provide a single backticks, and of course, just simply provide the text. And from here, when you close it with the backticks again, as you can see, it will now be small and it will be different, but it is still small than before. So pretty much you will have these two methods over here in order for your text to be small. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.